we guide you through how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is to open Instagram app and go to your direct messages by tapping the messenger icon in the top right. Then open the chat where you want to use Vanish mode. Next, swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen and release when you see the Vanish mode message appear. And you'll notice the screen turn dark, confirming that Vanish mode is now activated. From this point on, messages, photos, videos, and reaction you send will automatically disappear after they seen and the chat is closed. If you want to turn Vanish mode off, simply swipe up again in the same chat until the screen returns to normal. Keep in mind that Vanish mode only works in one-on-one chats. Both users must have it enabled, and Instagram will notify you if someone takes a screenshot while it's on.